ring bicep curls. We're using this motion for two reasons. First of all, to strengthen our biceps because everyone wants stronger, better looking biceps. And second of all, to strengthen the second portion or the top half of our chin up. Because you'll notice in this movement, my elbow's higher than my shoulder, which is something that we don't normally achieve in most other bicep exercises, but my elbow is going to be in line or higher than my shoulder as I'm breaking 90 degrees in the chin up. So this is a good way to strengthen those muscles in that particular angle. So what we're gonna do with the setup, I'm gonna have some rings hanging on a pull apart. You can also be using a TRX setup. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk my body back as much as I need possible, understanding the more I'm parallel to the floor, the harder it is. The more I'm inclined vertical, the easier it is. I'm gonna have my palms supinated or facing towards the ceiling. This feels like a good, comfortable position. I start with locked out elbows, and now I curl my forehead to the top of the rings. I pause for a moment, back to the starting position. I'm gonna make it a little harder. Rings to the forehead, pause for a moment, back to the starting position. What one more good rep looks like, to the starting position. The common faults we're gonna see with this, not locking out the elbows in the bottom position, so make sure every rep starts with completely locked out elbows. And then the other two faults we're going to see is at this angle, starting to raise the arms up and turn it into too much of a shoulder exercise. And then lastly is gonna be using the hips to cover the distance or move through the range of motion. So make sure you're being strict and really loading the arms with this movement as opposed to compensating somewhere else in your body.